Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to block someone on WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Tap on the message icon from the bottom right corner. Choose the user you want to block. Tap on the three dots from the top right corner. From the menu, tap on More. Now, tap on the block option. Then a screen will pop up. Tap on the block option from the pop-up screen. And you will block someone on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you're able to block someone on WhatsApp. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.